Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox connection error on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. When you open Roblox application, sometimes it says connection error. And if you have the connection error message on your Roblox, the first one that you're going to do is checking your internet connection, whether it's good or not. If your internet is not stable or it's not good, you can try to fix your internet connection. As we know that Roblox is an online game, so good internet connection is a must. And then if your internet connection is already good, you can clear the cache of Roblox on your phone. You can go to setting and then you can delete the cache or remove the cache. Okay, you can go to the apps menu here and then you're going to scroll down until you find Roblox. Wait, okay, this one, and you can clear the cache and you can also clear the data. But if you clear your data, you need to log in to Roblox again. Okay, and then you can try to update your Roblox application. Maybe your Roblox is not updated, so you can go to Play Store or Apple Store and then you can update your Roblox. If you are iOS user, you can go to the Apple Store. Okay, search Roblox and you can click on update to update your Roblox. If your Roblox needs to be updated, the update button will appear right here and then you can update your Roblox. And the last one, if the methods still can't work on your phone, I recommend you to uninstall your Roblox and then you can reinstall it again. Just go back to the Play Store or Apple Store and then you can install your Roblox. And after that, you can open up your Roblox and check whether it works or not. Okay. Okay, I hope that my method will help you to solve the connection error problem. And okay guys, that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. See you in the next video, guys.